ajọ ihe ka iwe du anyị n'ụzọ ile nke ezi omume gị ka iwe wezugara anyị ọrịa niile nke pụrụ ịdakwasị mmadụ dị ndụ n'ihi na ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye na-agwọ ọrịa anyị wee na-akpọkụ gị onwe gị bụ sunile nke ndị agha ka iwe mere anyị ebere ka akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka ude nke anyị na-asụ wee bịa n'iru gị ka iwe mee ka Biafra wee guzosi ike ka anyị wee n'ikpete maazị nye aha nsọ gụtụta na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma site n'ebighị ebi ma ruo n'ebighị ebi ise.
Hello and welcome to my channel once again. I appreciate you wherever you're connecting from. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much and remember this. I appreciate all your support on the channel. I appreciate all your contribution that you are making. Please continue to contribute. Go to the comment section at all time. Just say it the way you feel it. You can criticize. You can add your opinion on the comment section. It's all welcome. That is the only way we can get headway to the situation that we are in. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever the video comes up. Thank you so much. And remember this, today is June 12th, the day that the contraption Nigeria said they are remembering the Democracy Day. But we know that what they are practicing in Nigeria is not democracy, but demonstration of crazy. That is what they are practicing in Nigeria. So today is the day Nigerian government demonstrated their crazy. They are demonstrating their crazy once again. Today, the masses are coming out to protest about the situation of that very contraption called Nigeria. For those of them who still believe in that one Nigeria, who still believe that they can salvage Nigeria, but for people like us, the Nigeria have ended. We are only talking about Oduduwa and Biafra Republic that is coming up very soon. But there are some people who still believe that they can salvage the contraption called Nigeria. Some of them are demonstrating their crazy today. As they are busy demonstrating their crazy, the government is also busy demonstrating their own crazy by killing them. As all you know is that has been the normal thing in Nigeria. It's been normal, taking life of people during protests, killing them during protests, arresting them during protests, doing all sort of human rights abuse during protests. That is what you see in the contraption called Nigeria. So, how can somebody in his right senses be celebrating democracy in such kind of demonstration of crazy? The only thing that we see there is demonstration of crazy. And if you want to know how crazy that contraption is, you can go to Facebook today. You will see a lot of things online. Go to online, you will see a lot of videos flying around. And that notwithstanding, I'm going to share with you some videos of what is going on in Nigeria, where the military are demonstrating their crazy, where their forces are demonstrating their crazy. So, when you hear about demonstration of crazy in Nigeria, it is not strange and it is not something that is new. Today, being 12th of June, is the day the contraption called Nigeria have already mapped out as the day they demonstrate their crazy. But eventually, those who say that they believe in one Nigeria, I feel that it can be salvaged, I don't blame them. I don't blame the innocent citizen who has no choice than to at least make an effort. At least they are making an effort to speak their mind. But as usual, as they are trying to display their human rights as humans, as they are trying to play their own role as humans to demonstrate in that very contraption called Nigeria, the government is demonstrating their crazy against them by sending military against them, sending all manner of forces and attack against them. You can watch. I'll play some of the video for you to see what is going on in the contraption called Nigeria today.
All the way against us.
Journalist now. No.
Everyone has been ready. Where's the woman again? Come, Hans, where's your camera? Hans, where's your camera? This way, Hans. So fight has gone well. Why are you doing If these people mobilize themselves,
Why didn't you know that it's not protesters that caused the mayhem during the exercise? It's the same thugs who look like them that are just using that protest. So they want to defend what they are protesting for.
It's a shame because this country. I always say that we have every means, we have everything at our disposal to be one of the top countries in the world. But we are here today because of corruption. We are here today because of the nepotism. Look at the level of insecurity that we have been dealing with since the time this administration came in till now. You know, when Nigerians speak, they are not speaking. The government is quick to always think that Nigerians are fighting them like it's a war, and they always take it to be as if we're at war. We don't have their guns. We do not have their guns. All we have is our voice. We have our voices, and they want to take that away from us. So the government, this current administration that we are in now, do not even want any form of criticism. They do not want people to speak. There's nothing more to it than dictatorship.
One of the things you mentioned.
Don't catch them.
Well, after watching all this, and you still think you can salvage Nigeria, well, I'm sorry, continue trying. But for those of us who are fed up with trying, we are moving up ahead. We are already moving ahead, and we have already created our own environment. We have already created a place we will support. We have already gotten a solution. We are not seeking for the solution anymore. The solution to the problem, which is Biafra and Oduduwa. For Biafrans have gone very, very far away. They are heading home very soon. Very, very soon. Sooner than you expect. It doesn't matter what they say. We know that the tyrant in that very contraption called Nigeria, they call the president, can never listen. You can see he has demonstrated that in his speech. He had demonstrated that in the speech, his demonstration of crazy speech that he made. He demonstrated the craziness again in that very speech. So, What are you expecting? We are not expecting anything different from what he's just said or what he's doing. And he will continue to do more. So we have forged ahead to pursue our Biafran nation, which is coming very soon. As Oduduwa is also pursuing their own Oduduwa nation. Middle Belt should sit up. I don't know what they are doing. If they are still sleeping, they should wake up. If they cannot be able to unite together and fight, they should either join the Biafrans or join the Oduduwas to fight for a nation. Or let the South unite, join the South. Let there be a unity of the South to get out from this very contraption called Nigeria and have a nation they can be proud of. Because it is very clear that Nigeria is a failed state, can never work. Already, the northern part of Nigeria is in the hand of the terrorists and in the hand of the bandits. The terrorists that they renamed bandits, they have taken charge. And there is no challenge whatsoever against them. Nobody is challenging them. Nobody is taking them. Nobody is fighting them. So they are settled there. The only place they are now concentrating to take over is the southern part of Nigeria. But it can never work. They can try for thy kingdom come. It can never work. As long as IPOB continue to exist, as long as Biafra remains, they can never ever succeed. Thank God for Sunday Igboho, who is standing up in the Oduduwa Republic. As far as Sunday Igboho continues to stand strong and fight, they will never succeed. For Biafra, they will never take an inch of the land of Biafra. They will never. And when we are talking about Biafra, we are talking about the old southeastern region. Old southeastern region. They will not take an inch of the land in that very space. It doesn't matter what they say. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter how they pretend. They will kill us. We will kill them. At the end, Biafra will come. Certainly, nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop the coming of Biafra. It is coming with speed. With the speed of fire. With the speed of light. And you can't stop it. Something that Chukwu Okike Abiama have ordained. Something that Chukwu Okike Abiama have ordained. A lot of prophecy have come on this. Many people have confirmed it, old and young, that Biafra is the solution. And you want to stand against it? All you have to do is just to say over your dead body, just like others are saying. And then, you give us space. Just mention it and you give us space. Everybody that stands against Biafra will always go down 6 feet. That is for sure. It doesn't matter what you do to us. We will always prevail. Today, that is the day that you are demonstrating your crazy. As usual, continue to demonstrate your crazy. Meanwhile, we are pursuing our self-determination. We are pursuing our nation called Biafra. Pursuing a nation called Oduduwa. And very soon, these new nations will emerge with the speed of fire. They will emerge with the speed of light. And there is nobody that can stop them. Nobody. Thank you so much for watching from wherever you're watching from. If you have a contrary opinion to what I've just said, go to the comment section, your own opinion. What do you think about their demonstration of crazy today? What do you think? What are you saying about the demonstration of crazy? Even the demonstration of crazy by the president in his speech. What do you think about it? Go to the comment section. Feel free to put down your comment. Say it the way you feel it. It's all welcome. You can criticize. You can go contrary to what I've just said. It's all welcome. Thank you so much for coming. And remember, we are calling for peace. We are not hating anybody. We are not talking down anybody. All we are asking for is that each and every indigenous tribe in that contraption called Nigeria should have a right to exist and live peacefully. It doesn't matter their tribe. It doesn't matter their religion. It doesn't matter their location. North, east, west, north, south. Wherever people are, they have right to exist peacefully on their own region. That is what we ask. Not a hate speech and not a call for war, not a call to dishonor anybody, but to say actually the fact, the right, is the right of you and I to speak up. The right of you and I to demand what is right and what we want. That is exactly what we are doing, and nothing more, nothing less. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, bless. Bye-bye. See you again on the next video.